Hi, my name is Batool Showghi and I would like to show you a little bit about my practice stitching materials on paper. I choose bits of materials beforehand and make sure that the composition is okay, and I start stitching quite intuitively. I've done a series of artist books based on immigrants and people being displaced because of the war, environmental issues. And on these you could see also the use of textile and the sewing machine on these books. Use of birth certificates and family photos to make these. Some of these books, some copies of these books are in the Tate Britain. Recent work which I have done during the lockdown. This is a textile piece on canvas using different materials, done all on the sewing machine, and then I've written on it in Farsi. It's like a autobiographic. It is called The Art of Loving, and after being isolated and away from other fellow humans, I felt we should all come together and celebrate our differences. This one is called Being Captured in a Box, and there are 60 metal boxes using the sewing machine on paper, using paint and other mixed media materials. Each box shows people being captured in their rooms or houses away from each other. So these two pieces will be shown during the SDC exhibition in summer.